Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you all how I did the knotless box braids at home. First, I just want to show you the products I use. I use the Jumbo Kanika braid hair in a color 2 from the Vivica Fox hair collection. I also use the Shea Moisture Curl Stretching Pudding, organic beeswax, the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, and my Demon brush and a rat tail tooth comb. Okay guys, so I know my hair looks really crazy right now, but I just wanted to show you how I section it off before I start braiding. Okay, so I sectioned my hair off into 7 different sections. I know the parts aren't as straight as they should be, but I was in a bit of a rush, so I will work on making them a little cleaner the next time. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done the back half of my hair. For the most part, most of them are turning out yeah, if I could change one thing so far, I would say I wouldn't cut the hair in half because my hair is almost as long as the braiding hair. So, but anyway, I'm just gonna record me doing these 2 sides. I feel like that's the easiest for me to get a good angle so you guys can see. So I'll just let you know what I'm doing and what I'm using for this part. So I've been taking some of the curl stretching pudding and just putting on each little tangled each section of my hair. I did blow dry my hair to stretch it before I started. Then I go in with my organic beeswax. Just take just a little bit and kind of put it throughout the strand. Then I'm taking the jam, and this is the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. I'm just taking like some and putting it on my fingertip and just going around where the part is at the root. So I just start off with splitting my hair into 3 sections. And I just start a plait like this. And I pretty much do 1 full plait. I'm gonna take my glasses off so they're not in the way. Okay. Then I take a piece of the braiding hair like this. And let me see how I'm gonna be able to do this where y'all can see it. I grab one side with the part that's already holding the hair, and the other side I grab, and then I just continue to braid 1 flat and hold. Grab another piece of braiding hair, cut one side under. The other side you want to grab here, and then just braid another split. You can do it one more time. The third. Tuck it under. Grab the other part. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I've done my edges, I dipped the ends. As you can see, some of them didn't quite get the dip, but I had to redo that one. Someone is joining me now. My attempt at curling for a goddess look was a fail, but I can just cut that off. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, is just go through and cut these little pieces out. So overall, for a first attempt at doing knotless braids, I think I did pretty good. Definitely have some work to be done, but I will say they are much lighter than braids with the knots, and I actually feel like it was quicker, and I feel like if I wanted to just pull these up in a ponytail now, I could. So I don't know how long they're gonna last. Hopefully at least 3 weeks is what I am hoping for. I definitely think if you want to wear them any longer, probably should do them smaller. So if I decide to do these on myself again, I will do them smaller. And I don't think I'll cut the hair. I will probably be pulling them back like this or something for work, because I do still have to go out for work in the COVID-19. I work at the hospital, so I'll probably most likely pull them back for work tomorrow. But this is the final look. I will see y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any tips for how I could do this better next time, please share, because I will probably be trying this out again, seeing as I won't be going to get my hair braided anytime soon with this quarantine. And yeah, I love to get some tips. I love to hear how you all do with trying it on yourself, or you know, pros and cons you may have from wearing these. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.